Hey everyone, in today's video I have this amazing but very quick and easy look that I want to show you so you are prepared to go back to the office. I know maybe you miss your house, you miss working at home, but unfortunately a lot of you have to go back to the office. So I want to show you how you can look ready and prepared to go back. So without any further ado, let's get started. This look is for those of you that have to go to the office, whether it's full-time or not, whether you're just going for meetings and meet up with clients and then go back home and keep working, or if you are going full-time to sit down in your office for 8 hours straight, these looks are gonna work for you too. Basically, what I wanna do is something easy, something that you can do it during the morning in less than half an hour, that you can be out of your house without having to do too much. And I did 4 variations of the look that you can use for different occasions, or if you want to combine these for different looks because you love all of them. So let's start. Whenever I do my makeup every day, I always apply my moisturizer and my SPF. Never skip this part of the process because taking care of your skin is very important. So make sure that you apply your moisturizer and then your SPF. If you're a person that loves applying also primer, you can do so. I'm not a primer person. I love using my moisturizer and then my SPF, and that's it, and go and apply my foundation. However you want to do it, it's up to you. Just make sure that you take care of your skin. The next step is the foundation. In this video, I decided to use the Sephora Best Skin Ever foundation. This is a very lightweight foundation that looks like skin, and these are the type of foundations that I always recommend for every day. You don't have to use a Sephora one. If you prefer to use the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation or the new HD Skin by Makeup Forever, that one is a good one too. Or the Backstage Foundation by Dior is also a good one too. Those 3 foundations are very nice for every day because they're very lightweight and they look like skin. But I always recommend something that is not gonna be too much and that is going to apply very quick and easy, that you don't have to work too much for the foundation to be on your skin and look good. Next thing I recommend is using a very nice and good quality concealer. I love the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. It's a very nice concealer. It's very affordable. It's like a $5 or $6 type of concealer. It has a great coverage. If you don't like the hydrating one, they have a matte one and it's amazing too. They have great coverage, but you have also other choices like the NARS concealer. You have the Burn This Way concealer, which is my favorite. It depends on your needs and all that, but these ones, the e.l.f., the matte one and the hydrating one, are very good, and they're affordable for everyday use. Next thing in the process is, of course, doing your contour. Whenever I do something that is very light and is for an everyday look, I don't like to contour with products that have a lot of gray tones because it doesn't look natural. So these Rare Beauty contour sticks are very nice because the shades that they have, they're really warm, so they look natural. And if you use any type of cream blushes too with them, you can mix them both and they will give you like a nice color to your face and you will look very natural and not like you try too much. So I really love these sticks, and also they're very inexpensive. They're like $20, and this is a product that is gonna last you a long time because you don't need too much. Another product that I actually enjoy a lot is the Putty products by e.l.f., whether it's the blush or the bronzer. In case that you don't like the Rare Beauty bronzer that I just recommended, I also love the Putty bronzer by e.l.f. So that's another option that you can go with because these have also gray shades and they work very well. They actually warm your skin very nicely and they blend very easily. So in this video I'm using the Putty blush, and as you can see, it's super nice. The color is very natural in my cheeks. I love using a lot of blush, So if you want to go over and apply and reapply, you can go over it and it's not gonna look like too much. Also, they have a nice finish. So if you have combination skin like I have, these blushes are very nice because they're not too dewy. So they're not gonna make your skin look like too oily. And the color that I'm using is called Tahiti, in case that you want to use that one or you want to get that one. If you have combo skin or oily skin, you probably want to set your foundation. And the powder that I really like using is this one by One Size Beauty. This is a translucent powder, ultimate setting powder. You can see it's huge. This is not as inexpensive like if you go to the drugstore and maybe get F Cosmetics or any other like Fit Me by Maybelline or something like that. But this is a huge product that's gonna last you forever. So I really love this one. And what I do is whenever I wanna do something that is very minimal in my skin, I like to set only the center of the face and make sure that I set my under eyes very nicely. And I keep the cream products in the rest of the face as it is. I don't set anything else. So my skin looks very natural and don't apply a lot of powder because then my skin is not gonna look as fresh. Another product that I love using is this Rare Beauty Liquid Luminizer. The shade that I'm using here is Plumped. And the reason I love it is because it doesn't have glitter on it. So it doesn't look like you have a bunch of pearls or stuff like that stuck in your face. It's actually very nicely. It doesn't really give you so much highlight either. So it looks very natural in your face. And you can see I have it on. And it looks like my skin is glowing and it doesn't look like I have a bunch of glitter on my skin. So I really love this product and I recommend it. If you are not a highlighter person but you love like the glowy skin, then you will love this type of products because it doesn't really give you that much of a highlighter type of finish. Okay, in here I'm using the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil. And when I do my brows for everyday makeup, I love only like touching my brows, like little spots, like and any spot that I don't have a lot of hair on it. I like to create like the hair-like strokes. And I like to use a product that is very nice and have a good pigmentation. But at the same time, I love keeping them very natural. I don't even apply anything to set them like a gel or anything like that. I just leave them natural because I feel like that's the way they look best whenever I do a minimalistic type of look. Moving on to the eyes. The eyes are very quick. As you can see, I use a palette that one is not new in the market and two, probably you have it. And this is the Soft Glam by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And this palette is super good for everyday type of looks. You can see how neutral it is. It has all of the colors or all of the shades that you need to create a everyday type of look. And in here, I didn't even use another brush. I used the same brush that came in the package and the colors that I use, and I'm gonna give you like the options in case you're fair or darker skin. I started with burnt orange and I apply it on the entire lid, but in case that you want or you are darkened that I am, you can use sienna and apply it on the entire lid. And then in the bottom of my mobile lid, I apply sultry using the same brush but the other side that is a little flat. I apply sultry in the bottom of the lid. And a little technique that I have for you is whenever you want to do this look and you want to apply this color touching almost your lash line, what you're gonna do is just put your mirror almost by your chin area and apply the product like that, looking down, so you can see the entire lid, the length of the lid. So you can apply the product very low in the lid, and then when you open your eyes, the product is going to be there like you have a very minimalistic smoky eye. Then I moved and I apply glistening to the inner corners. What I did was the part that I was using, the flat part of the brush, I clean it with a paper towel and then I apply glistening in the inner corners. The next step is again cleaning my brush with a paper towel, and then I apply the color called Rustic. And what I did was blend the entire bottom lid. I blend that color in the entire bottom lid to kind of smoking the bottom lid, so I have a little shade there, but very subtle. And that's all I did for the eyes. Then I apply a little bit of mascara. For the mascara, I'm using the ColourPop Level Up Mascara. This mascara is very inexpensive. You can use any mascara that you love and that works for you. And I love it because it's very natural. It doesn't make my lashes look like, you know, I apply tons of product. And now I wanted to show you different variations of this look, but only applying different type of lip products. So let's start with, if you are that person that doesn't have much time to be doing your lips too well, or if you're that person that really don't care about how your lips look, you just want a little bit of something that is not gonna make your lips too dry or anything like that. So I have a product that you're gonna love if you are that person, and this is the Rare Beauty Dewy Lip Balm, and the color that I'm using in here is Support. As you can see, I didn't apply any lip liner, nothing. I only applied that color, and you can see how beautiful it looks. It goes super nicely with the look that we have on, and you will look very put together, which is what we want. The next variation would be something more in the matte side. If you are that person that loves your lip stains or liquid lipsticks, then this is going to be the type of variation for you. I decided to start with ColourPop Lippy Pencil, and I'm applying the color BFF. As you can see, it's very, very nude, so it doesn't even show in my skin. That's something that sometimes a lot of people love because they want to have a very natural type of finish in their lips. And then I'm applying this Velvet Luxe by ColourPop also. I love this shade. This is Penny Pincher. And I love this formula because it's super comfortable. It's a liquid lipstick, but it has like a very nice formula, almost like airy formula that you don't feel it in your lips, and it looks awesome. So you can see how beautiful this combination or this combo looks on the skin, and you can see how beautiful it looks with the entire look. If you are a glossy person like I am, and you like your glosses and you like your glossy lips, I got you. And I have this too, which is my go-to combo. I have here the Coquette Liner by Alamar Cosmetics, and then the Fenty Beauty Cream Lip Gloss. And the shade that I'm using is Honey Waffle. I love how this combination looks on the lips. I love how glossy this lip gloss actually is, and I love how everything looks together. With the look, it looks amazing. This is something that you can wear every single day, and no matter the event that you have at work, you can go and check something like you have a meeting with the CEO, you have something to do that is very important. This is going to look very nicely in your face and with the entire look. And lastly, if you are a red lip girl, then I have also a combo for you. I really love ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Bossy. This is more of an orangey or warm tone red, and I use this to line my lips. And then I use the Juvia's Place lipstick in the color Rouge. I love Juvia's Place matte lipsticks because they're very comfortable too. They last you a long time, and when you use them, they actually stain a little bit your lips, so you're not gonna look like your lips is wearing off all the time if you're eating or drinking, or even if you're talking too much. Sometimes your lipstick moves around. And you can see, guys, the 4 variations together. You can see them all, and you have different looks only with one makeup. So you have your skin, your eyes, everything, and you can do these variations. You're gonna look like you have a different makeup look every day, and you have a different makeup look for different occasions. The last tip I will have for you is, if you are a person that loves your liner, you can actually add a liner if you want with this, or if you are a lash girl, you can actually add lashes too to this look, and it's going to look amazing also. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you love this video, just don't forget to give me thumbs up. Share this with your friends who are going back to work. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. And if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for being part of the family. And I see you on the next one. Bye bye.